Well, my name is Denise Halverson, and I'm the Curriculum Coordinator and Catalog Editor here at Northern Illinois University. And we're going to take a few minutes today to look at the navigation of the online catalog together. So you do want to start at niu.edu. Under your Academics tab, go to Catalogs. That's going to take you to the catalog homepage. Should you need to go back, you can always go back to niu.edu through this toggle button here. So we're going to take a look at the dashboard to start with. The first area is our catalog search. So you want to put in your keywords or phrase. Go ahead and search there. Now, just a word of warning, that's going to search the entire catalog. I tend to like to use the advanced search. Here you can select which areas of the catalog you would like to search. So just uncheck the areas you don't want to search, put in a keyword or phrase, and hit search. That actually gets you a little bit deeper into the hierarchy before the search feature does time out. So you're going to get a more accurate search. Of course, if you don't know what area the catalog this could potentially be in, you're going to want to use your basic search. So let's take a look at the catalog guide. Now, the guide is going to actually give you good information about what the terminology within the catalog means and refers to. It's also going to help us learn some of the features of the catalog. Many of the catalogs have links at the top of the page because some of the pages are quite long and you don't want to have to scroll down to the bottom of those pages. So we're going to go to the definition of terms. And as you can see, you can quickly get back up to the top using that top button, or there's a default here down in the bottom right-hand corner, and that will take you back up to the top as well. But within the page, this particular page, you can see that all of the definitions or terms that are used in the catalogs that you may need to have a definition for are found here. So we're going to go back up to the top. And you can see that there are multiple tabs here along the side for different types of information, academic information, and introduction to NIU. So all of those things are housed within the catalog, and they're a really good source of information. I'm going to go to academic regulations at this point because not only do we have links within the catalog itself, we do have areas of the catalog where you're going to need more information other than what can be housed in the catalog. So what happens at that point is we do direct you to these links, and that's going to take you back out to the website so that you can really investigate that particular topic in more detail. And we do have those housed on the website versus within the catalog. And you can easily toggle back to the catalog by using your back button. Okay. And you can see that there's multiple pages again, the expenses, financial aid and scholarship, university services. But we're going to take a look at some of the kind of the bones of the catalog, what its purpose is for finding different programs. And you can do that different ways. So there is along the dashboard a tab for undergraduate programs, and that's going to list all of the majors, the minors, the contract majors, certificates that are offered, education licensure. So you can see in a nice format all of the different majors and degrees and certificates and minors that are offered. So that's one way to find programs. Another way to find programs are through the colleges themselves. Now, we do have 6 colleges on campus, and our largest being the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. So why don't we try utilize that one for our example. So to get information about this specific college, we're going to go to information about the college itself. So as you can see, it gives information about all the different departments that are housed within that college and the majors that are offered within those actual departments. It's going to give you a little bit more information about the college, if there's special requirements. Now, this page will be different, obviously, for each and every college. So once you select a degree, you may want to come here and get some really specific information about your college. So if we go back, let's just pick a department here to investigate a little bit more. So we have the communications department. If we go to information, now we're getting even deeper into the structure of the university. So we've gone from university regulations and information to colleges. Now we're going to departments. So this is going to give you information about the college itself. It's going to let you know who the faculty are. And then also within the department. It's going to tell you what the majors, the minors, certificates of undergraduate studies, and which of the degrees are offered with honors. So why don't we select a major here, and as you can see, it's telling us that that's available as a Bachelor's of Arts or a Bachelor's of Science. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to take us to that actual degree page. It's going to tell you what the requirements in the department are, and it's going to show you all the courses that are required, and then it's going to show you options that you're going to need to take. Choose 2 of the following. The nice thing about how the courses are set up here is, if you can look by looking at Journalism 350, is it also tells us that this is available for part of your general education requirements, and it's also within a general education pathway. So not only is it meeting the needs of the degree, it's meeting general education needs as well. To get some more information about a course, you just click on it. Now it gives you the course description. If there were prerequisites, it would also say that within this area, and it gives you the credit hours. To collapse that, you just click on it again. Continuing going down, it shows us how many requirements are, what the requirements are outside of the department, and your total hours, and if there are any special requirements. So again, this is going to be different depending on what program you're looking at, but that's the type of information that you can find within a program tab. So we're going to go back. And then if we look here along our dashboard, you do see that there is continuing information. We do have some other academic units. So this is going to tell you what those units are and give you additional information, and if there are programs within those separate centers. And finally, we're going to take a look at the legal notices. So again, this is a nice tab. It gives a summary of all the types of information that you might want, how to find your student information and records. Again, it's going to take you to links within our website. So that is a handy way to get to easily see what the rules are, and then to get to more detailed information. Finally, we'll take a look at the campus maps, and you can see that takes us to a direct link, so there's no actual information within the catalog itself. It takes you right out to the website, and it opens, this one actually opens in a separate tab, so to get back to the catalog, you just tab over and you're back into your catalog directly. So while that was a very short introduction, I hope that you can see how to use the features of the dashboard and searching and using the links within the catalog itself to get to additional information. Thank you so much for your time today.